Assalamu alaikum. In the last video we have learned how to render data from database. In this video we will learn how to insert data. Let's start. We will create another file, create.php, under admin. First we need to add another menu in our WordPress menu section, in our plugin menu. So we need to add admin menu in admin menu hook, in add action. Here is the callback function. Add sub menu page. In the same way, here we need to parent slug. This is the parent slug. So this menu will be registered under CRUD plugin menu. That's why we need to use this. Manage option. Here slug of this sub menu. Callback function. And let's create the function. To insert data we need a from. I have already write and I am copy paste. It will save our time. Now we will use server request method. This will be post request. I think we have known all post get request. What is post request? What is get request? And here we will execute another function. And we will pass the data from this form, this name, and the email. Simple message, data insert successfully. We need to get the data we have passed just right now, name and email. Same way, global WPDB. Next table name. Let's get it from database file. Now we will use insert WordPress function. Table name, and we are passing our data, name, sanitize field always, email, we are almost done. Let's check into the WordPress admin panel. It's very simple step. Our form, write name, email, submit, data successfully inserted. Check into our database. Here is our data. So we have created our data successfully. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.